Welcome back, guys, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to produce a marketable powder detergent at the comfort of your home. Now you can see this beautiful detergent over here. You see how it lathers. I will teach you guys how to produce it at home. So watch this video, stay glued to your phone screen. If this is your first time coming here, do well by subscribing or following me. Let's go. In the production of powder detergent, there are things you have to take note of. First of all, use your hand gloves, then put on your nose mask, and also stay in a well ventilated environment. Don't do this in a room. I actually made this in a room due to the fact that I'm making a video. Do this outside. Stay outside your compound to do this because these chemicals have a choking smell, especially your SLS. So stay outside and produce this detergent. Don't stay inside a room like I did. Stay outside so that you can have a lot of ventilation because these chemicals have a choking smell. So you can see I have added my sodium sulfate into my mixing bowl. The next chemical I'll be adding is my soda ash. My sodium sulfate was 1.5 kg. That is 1.5 kg. My soda ash is 500 grams. I'm going to mix both of them together. Detergent is actually one of the easiest cleaning agent to produce. It's very easy. It's just about mixing powders. You mix your cleaning powders and your foaming powders. Now this is SLS, known as sodium lauryl sulfate. I'm making use of 350 grams. SLS is a foaming powder. Then the rest I'm adding are cleaning powder. Then my sodium sulfate is just should I call it an additive to make the powder detergent large in quantity. That's the purpose of sodium sulfate. It actually makes the quantity of your powder detergent larger because it's actually the cheapest chemicals amongst all the chemicals. So you want your powder detergent to be much so that you can make profit. That is why I was adding sodium sulfate. But the major cleaning agents here are the soda ash, caustic soda, STPP. Those are the cleaning agents. Then the foaming agent is the SLS, which is the sodium lauryl sulfate. So when making powder detergent, it's all about mixing powders. You are mixing your cleaning agent and your foaming agent, or you are mixing cleaning powders with foaming powders. You mix them together to produce your powder detergent. It's as simple as that. So watch this video, follow every step I'll be using. It's actually very easy. Mix your powders together, your cleaning powders and your foaming powders. Mix them up together. That is our caustic soda. I'm making use of 2 tablespoons for this quantity I'm producing. What we are producing is approximately a 2 kg powder detergent. Now, because this is going to be in powder form, I'm going to have to blend this. I'm going to blend this mixture. You can use any blender of your choice, but make sure the blender you are using is dedicated for chemicals. You don't use it to cook food. Any blender you choose to use for this project should be dedicated for chemical production. Don't use it to prepare food. Now, if you check the video description, you will find a link where you can join my online class. There we hold a lot of trainings. We teach how to make soap, body cream, liquid soap, powder detergent, organic soap. There's a lot you learn in my online class. Do well by joining the class. Check this video description. You'll find a link where you can simply click on that link to join the class. If you have issues reaching us through the link, then you can do well by chatting me on WhatsApp to be added directly to the group. Just send me a message on WhatsApp. I didn't say you should call me. Just drop a message on WhatsApp. If you have issues joining through the link, then drop a message on WhatsApp so that you'll be added to the training group. There you learn how to make a lot of things. You learn how to make soap like a pro. You will be a very good soap maker if you join my online class. You can see I am blending the detergent. I'm using a blender. And like I said before, you can use any blender of your choice. But make sure the blender you are choosing to use to blend this chemical, because we want it to turn to powder. We want it to be in powder form. Most of these chemicals are not in powder form, especially the SLS. The SLS is in rice form. It looks like rice. So we want everything to come out looking like powder. That's how we are blending it. Like I said before, use any blender of your choice. But make sure the blender you are using should be dedicated for only chemicals. Buy a special blender for just your chemical production. Then have another separate blender when you want to prepare things for cooking, like if you want to blend your crayfish, your pepper, your onions, anything you want to blend should be in another blender. And also don't forget, this production should be done outside where you have a lot of ventilation, because these chemicals have a choking smell. If you are a chemical you make use of chemicals, and you are looking for where you can purchase chemical in a very affordable rate, and you're looking for where you can purchase original chemicals, do it by reaching Fat Bay Chemicals, or you chat her up on those mobile number displayed there. You reach her on WhatsApp. She sells original chemicals. She based in Ilorin, but if you're in other part of Nigeria and you still need her chemicals, do it by chatting her up. She can webio chemicals down to your location in whatsoever part of Nigeria you are. She has good chemicals. Chat her up on those phone numbers displayed on that flyer I showed in this video. She has good chemicals. She has good palm kernel oil. She has good shea butters. Any chemical you need, chat her up. She has chemicals for you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like this video. And also don't forget to follow me on my other social media handles. I am on Facebook, I am on TikTok, and I am on YouTube. Please share, follow me, like, and drop your comments. Goodbye and have a lovely day.